Hello everybody, welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you how to get a TradingView free trial. If you're interested in tracking financial markets, practicing your trading strategies, or just exploring advanced charting tools, TradingView is one of the top platforms you should consider. The best part? You can try it out without any commitment. So, let's dive right in. Getting started with TradingView. First things first, head over to TradingView's website at tradingview.com. This is your gateway to accessing their suite of features. When you arrive on the homepage, you'll see options to either log in or sign up. Since we're aiming for a new account to access the trial, look for the option to create a new account. TradingView offers several convenient ways to do this, whether you prefer using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. They've made the process smooth and straightforward. Choosing your plan. Once you've set up your account, navigate over to the pricing page. This is where TradingView lists the different plans they offer. Each plan has varying levels of functionality, from the basic essential plan to the expansive premium plan. Take your time to review what each plan offers. Your decision will depend on the features you're most interested in exploring. Unlocking your free trial. After you've settled on a plan that suits your needs, you'll find an option right below it saying, "Try free for 30 days." This is your ticket to unlocking the trial. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to enter some payment information. TradingView allows you to use a credit card or PayPal. It's important to note that this is standard procedure for activating free trials on many platforms, ensuring a seamless transition to a paid plan should you choose to continue after the trial ends. But don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel the trial within a 30-day period. Exploring TradingView's features. Now that you've completed all these steps, you're free to explore TradingView's tools and features during your trial period. Dive into their vast array of charts, personalize your dashboard, or analyze market data with advanced tools. This trial period is your golden opportunity to really see if TradingView fits your trading needs, risk-free. A quick reminder. Remember, it's crucial to set a reminder for the end of your trial period. If you decide TradingView isn't right for you, make sure to cancel before your trial expires to avoid any unwanted charges. Otherwise, enjoy the features and happy trading. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to get a TradingView free trial. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.